How to change your name on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can change your name on Facebook. But before we get started, as always, if you're new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now first, just make sure to update the Facebook app, and you can do this by launching your respective app store. In the search box, typing in Facebook and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated Facebook, now I want you to go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you log in, tap on the three lines on the top right corner. Once you tap on the three lines, scroll down to the bottom, select settings and privacy. Once you select settings and privacy, go to settings. Once you go to settings, here you want to go to the option called personal information. As you can see, it says update your name and contact information connected to your Facebook account. So just make sure to tap on personal information. As soon as you tap on personal information, you can see your current name at the very top. So just make sure to tap on it again. As soon as you tap on it, here you'll be able to see your first name and your surname. So what you could do is just go ahead and enter the name that you would like to change to. Keep in mind that once you change it, you want to be able to change it for the next 60 days, which means 2 months. So you have to make sure not to add any type of unusual capitalization or anything that you're going to regret later, and tap on the review changes button. Once you do that, your name is going to get successfully changed. And that's all it takes to change your name on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.